Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe if you're new. Today's video we're gonna be installing the front end stuff. Got fenders that are not dinged up. We got the front nose piece, we got headlights. So we're gonna install all of that today, and we even got the hood, thank God. And we got side view mirrors, and we also have the 3-piece spoiler. But for today we're gonna get the front end parts put on, get the car looking complete again. And so I'm gonna set you guys up. You guys are gonna hopefully like the video, and let's do it. Alright guys, so check it out. We got everything on. I got a couple of fender bolts I just need to tighten down and underneath. My battery's about to die, but yeah, look at it. A complete Supra. I do have the moldings here for the bumper fender. Yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out. Now the car is one piece. So hopefully you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe. I have more stuff to do on this thing, and I'll upload more when we get more work done on it. So yeah, I still have the interior. I'll video that tomorrow when I get everything in there. Yeah, love it. Looks good. A nice paint job will go 100 miles. It'll look way better when it's painted complete. I do have to find some fog lights and do a couple wiring work on it. But for now, I'm happy how it turned out. Looks real good. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you're new, thank you very much. Make sure to share and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one. Be safe. Wash your hands. Peace.